Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming to you with the CVS haul for the week of April 15th through the 21st. As you can see, I got some great items here. I did 4 transactions this week, 1 on Sunday and 3 today, which is Monday. So if you guys are interested in what I got, please stay tuned. So let's get right into Sunday transaction. I did just a couple of items. I did the CoverGirl and the Got to Be Glued items. So some of my coupons was expiring, so I wanted to go ahead and use those. So the Got to Be Glued and the CoverGirl are on the $10 CVS cash card promo that's going on this week. And as you can see, they're on the front page here. So the Got to Be Glued is buy one get one half off, and the CoverGirl is a buy one get one half off as well. So my coupons was expiring, so I just went in there Sunday night and did those easy transactions. So the CoverGirl is buy one get one half off, and as you can see here, they're $4.49, and then the half off is $2.24. Then I used one of the 6 off of 2 manufacturer coupons that was expiring yesterday. So that came out to be a good deal. It actually came out to be like a $6.73, and then minus the 6 out of coupons, so 73 cents or 36 cents a piece for these eyebrow pencils. And then the Got to Be Glued was $7.19, and then half off was $3.59. So that came out to be $10.74. I used 2 of the 2 off of 1 manufacturer coupons. I used 1 printable and then 1 that was clipped to my card. So, and then I just put in a filler item here, which was some Skittles, and then what's not pictured is the M&Ms. They were both 88 cents. I put that in there because before the candy, it was like $8 and some change, and I did not have an $8 ECB. The closest I had was actually $9. So I went ahead and just put in some filler item with some candy. So it got it down to $9.27. So I used $9 in ECBs and paid 27 cents. So here is my receipt here, 27 cents plus tax, and I did use the cash card from last week to go ahead and take care of the balance there. So that $17.51 went towards the cash card. So I only needed $12.49, and I believe I got that mixed up because I think I spent over I know I spent over $12. I was looking at this number, and that is the reason why I bought the other items that I'm going to mention here. So it's okay, it's cool, whatever. I still average out everything. So I needed $12.49 to go ahead and earn the $10 cash card. So today I did the rest of the deals here. So the Venus, to complete the $10 cash card, the Venus is within that promo. So the Venus is $8.99 at my store. I used 2 of the 3 off of 1 Blinky coupons. And then I did the soft soap body wash. Those are 2 for $7 in the promo as well. I forgot to use my 75 cents of printable coupons from softsoap.com, so that's okay. So with the 4 of those items came to $24.98. Then I did the I went ahead and just put in the St. Ives body wash as well, because I had some body wash CRTs. I just wanted to just use it in that whole transaction. So the St. Ives deal is spend 15 get 10. At my store, those are $5.19 a piece. So I got 3 of them, equaling to $15.57. So the total for the 2 razors, the 2 soft soaps, and the 3 St. Ives was $40.55. I had $16 in manufacturer coupons and CRTs. So I had a 3 off of 10 body wash, a 2 off of 6 soft soap body wash, and a 2 off of 2 soft soap body wash as well. Like I said, I did go ahead and use 2 of the 3 off of 1 blinkies. So my total afterwards was $27.55. I used $26 in ECBs and only paid $1.55 out of pocket plus tax. And I did go ahead and use the remaining balance of my cash card. So it kind of like evened it out because I did forget to use the 75 cents off coupons for the soft soap, and the subtotal was already $1.55, and I used my cash card, which took $1.67 from the total. So I physically only have to pay tax, which is $2.52. And here is my receipt there. As you can see, I physically paid $2.52 out of pocket. And afterwards, I did get my $10 cash card, and here's the receipt for that. So next transaction I did was with the L'Oreal. So the L'Oreal, the deal is I forgot it was buy one get one half off, which was a good deal. So they buy one get one half off, and when you spend $15, no, they're not buy one get one half off. They're just two for $8. And when you spend $15, you get a $5 ECB. And then I did the soft soap hand soap, which is 2 for $5. So I had to get my shampoo and conditioner items to $18. So I put in a filler item here, which was the VO5. Those are $1.29 a piece. So with both of those, it's $2.58, and with the $16 of the L'Oreal, that came to $18.58. I had 4 of the 2 off of 1 TerraPad coupons that came to $8 in savings. Plus, I had a 4 off of 18 shampoo and a conditioner CRT. So that came to $6.58, but I get back a $5 ECB, making it $1.58 or 39 cents for the 4, or 26 cents for all 6 of the hair products. My soft soap was 2 for $5. I used 2 of the 75 cents off 1 printable coupons. I brought it down to $3.50. But we get back a $3 ECB for buying 2. So it made it 50 cents or 25 cents each. And this is the 11.25. So 25 cents for some soft soap was good for me. So altogether, the total was $9.08. I used $8 in ECBs and only paid $1.08 plus tax, which was $1.94. And I did use my cash card for that deal. And here is the receipt for that. Okay. And then lastly, I did some more cosmetics. I just had a lot of CRTs of cosmetic that were expiring today, and then some that printed today as well. I did have a 3 off of 12 CRT. My 5 off of 20 Revlon was expiring today. My 3 off of Maybelline from last week was expiring today. I also had a 3 off of Revlon that printed this week for everyone, and a 2 off of Maybelline, I believe. So let's see here. So my Maybelline, that promotion is spend 15 get 5. Not a good deal, but I wanted to break even on the ECBs that I was paying out. So I only got 2 of these items. I can go back and get another one for like $4, and then my $5 ECB will print. but I'm not going to worry about that right now. So the Maybelline, the baby lips were $4.49 and the mascara was $6.49. It came to $10.98. I had the 3 off of Maybelline CRT that was expiring today as well. I had the 2 off of 1 Maybelline that printed for everyone today. So they came to $5.98 or $2.99 a piece. With the Revlon, they are spend 10, get a $4 ECB. But like I said, my 5 off of 20 was expiring today. So I got 2 of these. And these are the lip liners. They are $9.99 a piece. We do have the 3 off of 1 lip cosmetic manufacturer coupon that came out in this week's Smart Source. So I used 2 of those 3 off of 1s. I used the 5 off of 20. And I used the 3 off of 12. I think I had a 2 off of any. Yeah, the 2 off of any Revlon that printed today this week as well. So I used those, and I believe this became free. I think I only paid like $6 out of pocket, but I got back an $8 ECB. So altogether for my cosmetic was $30.96. I had $15 in CRTs and $7 in manufacturer coupons. So my total came out to $8.98. I used $8 in ECB, so only paid 98 cents plus tax. And tax was $2.51 this time. So I used my cash card and paid $3.47 for this transaction. Of course, I used my cash card and I did get back the $8. So I did break even by getting my ECB back for that one. So altogether was a cool deal. Like I said, I did mess up on this one. I supposed to have just spent $12, but I read it wrong and spent way over to reach the $30. So it's cool. Not going to worry about it. I still got some cool items here. So yeah. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. And I will see you guys in the next video.